If you use Microsoft Word every day, having the horizontal scroll bar visible can make navigation much easier, especially when you're working with wider documents, tables, or side-by-side layouts. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable the horizontal scroll bar in Word in just a few seconds. This is a simple setting, but it can make a big difference in your workflow. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tips and easy how-to guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, look to the top left corner of the screen and click File. This opens the main menu where you can access Word settings and preferences. From the File menu, scroll down and click Options. This will open the Word Options window where you can change Advanced Display and Editing settings. On the left-hand side of the Word Options window, click Advanced. This is where Microsoft keeps many of the more detailed settings for how Word looks and behaves. Now scroll down through the advanced settings until you reach the display section. You may need to go a little way down the page, so take your time and look carefully for the display-related options. In that section, find the checkbox labeled Show Horizontal Scroll Bar. Once you see it, click the box to turn it on. After that, click OK at the bottom of the window to save your changes. As soon as you confirm the setting, Word should display the horizontal scroll bar again, making it easier to move left and right across wider pages or content that extends beyond the visible area. If you don't see it immediately, try switching to a document that needs horizontal movement, or make sure you are in a view where the scroll bar is visible. And that's it. You've now enabled the horizontal scroll bar in Microsoft Word. This is one of those small settings that can save you time and make your editing experience a lot smoother. If you found this useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Word tutorials, productivity tips, and software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.